Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best commercial ice machines in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Euhomy Commercial Ice Maker Machine. The Euhomy Commercial Ice Maker Machine is the perfect choice for busy restaurants, bars, and businesses. The stainless steel construction ensures that the machine is built to last, while the 100 pounds per day production capacity and 33 pounds storage capacity provide plenty of ice for even the busiest of days. The Freestanding Ice Maker Machine is equipped with a digital display and controls, making it easy to adjust the settings and keep track of how much ice is available. The self-cleaning function ensures that the machine is always ready to use, while the energy-saving mode ensures that energy is not wasted unnecessarily. The Euhomy Commercial Ice Maker Machine is the ideal choice for any business. Pros: produces up to 100 pounds of ice per day. Large 33-pound storage capacity. Made from stainless steel for durability. Freestanding design for easy installation. Low noise operation. Cons: expensive compared to other models. Ice storage capacity may not be enough for some users. Number 2. Our second best pick is Vremi Commercial Grade Ice Maker. The Vremi Commercial Grade Ice Maker is the perfect machine for home or business use. It produces up to 100 pounds of ice in 24 hours, with a 29-pound storage bin to keep it fresh and ready to use. Constructed with a stainless steel body and freestanding design, the Vremi Commercial Grade Ice Maker is easy to install and operate. Its advanced clear cube ice making technology ensures that you always have a plentiful supply of ice ready for entertaining, serving beverages, and more. This machine is ideal for restaurants, bars, and other commercial use, and its large capacity and durable construction make it a reliable choice for any ice-making needs. Pros: produces 100 pounds of ice in 24 hours. 29-pound storage bin. Stainless steel construction. Freestanding and automatic. Clear cube ice making machine. Perfect for both home and business use. Cons: requires regular maintenance. May be too large for some spaces. Expensive upfront cost. Number 3. Our third best pick is Manitowoc UDF0140, a Neo 26-inch air-cooled undercounter dice cube ice machine. This Manitowoc UDF0140, a Neo 26-inch air-cooled undercounter dice cube ice machine, is the perfect addition to any kitchen or bar. This ice machine produces up to 135 pounds of dice-style ice cubes per day and can store up to 90 pounds of ice at once. The air-cooled system helps keep the unit running efficiently without wasting energy, and the stainless steel construction makes it durable and easy to clean. The front-in, front-out airflow system ensures that the unit stays cool, and the adjustable bin thermostat ensures that the ice is stored at the proper temperature. Enjoy perfect ice every time with this Manitowoc UDF0140, a Neo ice machine. Pros: produces 90 pounds of ice per day. 26-inch footprint fits perfectly in tight spaces. Air-cooled compressor for efficient cooling. Includes a 135-pound storage bin for storing large amounts of ice. 115-volt power requirement is easy to connect and use. Cons: Pricey compared to other similar models. Can be noisy during operation. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Vever 110V Commercial Ice Machine. This Vever 110V Commercial Ice Machine is the perfect addition to any professional kitchen or bar. With a capacity of 320 pounds per day, it can easily meet the demands of busy commercial environments. The clear cube LED panel allows you to easily monitor the ice production, while the stainless steel construction ensures maximum durability. The air cooling system ensures efficient cooling, while the ETL approval ensures safety and reliability. The professional refrigeration equipment includes a scoop and connection hose so you can get up and running quickly. With its impressive performance and stylish design, this ice machine is a must-have for any commercial kitchen or bar. Pros: produces 320 pounds of ice in 24 hours. 77 pounds ice bin capacity. Clear cube LED panel. High-quality stainless steel. Air cooling system. ETL approved. Professional refrigeration equipment. Includes scoop and connection hose. Cons: not portable. Expensive. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Kotlin Commercial Ice Maker Machine. This Kotlin Commercial Ice Maker Machine is the perfect choice for restaurants and other businesses that require large amounts of ice. This machine can produce up to 400 pounds of ice per day and store up to 350 pounds of ice in its large storage bin. The 22-inch air-cooled industrial modular design ensures superior performance, and the stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity. The clear cube ice produced is perfect for use in drinks and other applications, making this machine an ideal choice for your business. With its impressive production and storage capacities, this machine is sure to meet all of your ice needs. Pros: produces 400 pounds of ice per day with a 350 pound storage capacity. A 22-inch air-cooled industrial modular ice machine is made of stainless steel for durability. Clear cube for easy viewing and selection. Perfect for restaurant business. Cons: extremely large and may not fit in some spaces. Expensive compared to other ice makers. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.